What do you want?
What's the plan today, mate? What are we doing?
Okay, so final day of preparation for the rally sprint in Northland, which is the first round of the North Island Rally Series. It's currently sitting down, which is good to be working inside a garage and not in a paddock.
Yeah.
Few things to tidy up.
You fixed the misfire on the engine?
We had a misfire that has been like present for the last couple of weeks, last couple of events, and have traced it down to blocked injectors, and we're helped out by Sean from Pickerel Auto Electrical and Adrian from Tuning and Performance.
Alright.
Which is pretty cool. They Adrian serviced the injectors this week.
Yeah.
And I put them back in, and then primed the fuel system, and then noticed the fuel surge tank was leaking.
Which is where? Where's it?
The radium. It's actually like probably the nicest bit in the engine bay.
Where's the surge tank? Oh, in there, right.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh,
that green thing on top of it.
It's like shiny CNC aluminium, pretty cool. $1,200. Just big money around here.
It's worth more than the rest of the car, man.
Yeah. So that was leaking, but I took that apart and like tightened these bolts on the top, and now it's not leaking. So it should be sweet.
Cool.
You don't want fuel leaks in your engine bay. And today's mission is to fix these wheels.
That's not play. That's just not on.
That's just not on. And yeah.
And I'm gonna speed run Mudflap.
Yeah, and then the title of this video is How Fast Can My Co-Driver Replace the Mudflap?
You used to do big sessions on Fridays to get work done, and now you're like a half hour a night kind of guy.
Yeah, after doing it a fair bit of, hold on, is that cross-threaded? I've had bad luck with cross-threading this week.
Kind of looks like it.
So?
Don't do them all so tight until they're all in, mate.
Shut up. And then, what was the same?
You're half hour a night.
Yeah, so now we've adopted a new strategy. Just do a little bit of work every night. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
What's your name?
Nathan.
What's your age?
31.
How heavy are you? Alright.
Too heavy. I think that's the answer you're looking for, eh? Too heavy.
Yeah, we're always trying to lose weight in this car.
I'm a nice trim 88 right now.
Alright, we'll just leave that there. On this side. Ripped, mudguard disappeared, they do that, it's just 3mm rubber, so, excuse the noise, that's a water blaster outside. Okay, Nathan has comment in the comments down below how fast you could replace the Mudflap.
Hey, but what time are you giving me?
I'm giving Nate 8 minutes. Go.
Okay.
That was good. Very good. Oh wait, that's my calculator.
Oh, why are these ones screwed in and not cable tied in?
So mate, in a rally service.
It's a bad start already.
In a rally service, you got to be on it. And
you didn't start your timer, did you?
I have now. You got 7 minutes and 55 seconds.
Oh, why is
I was going to say, in rally service, you need those parts that are easy change, so maybe change the design while you're at it.
Oh no, it's loose at the back.
You need to span half of the back. Oh man, that's terrible audio. Do you reckon the audio will be all good?
Nah, I think it'll be bad. It smells like fish under here.
Fish?
I don't know, it smells not good.
Excuse the audio, Jordan's water blasting outside the garage. You actually don't need a rush.
I need to get you an impact driver.
No, you just need did you get a 6mm for the back?
Oh yeah.
No, use a spanner.
Hey, don't help me, mate.
Oh.
Unless you want to, but that's not a true test of my ability. Oh, fuck. Any advice?
Don't rush.
Just
but
do it
maybe
right,
if you also want to think of future you, make it easier to replace them next time.
I'm getting carpal tunnel, mate. What? Is that not a 6mm? You keep stitching me up with this, eh?
Oh, you can't. I didn't say you could trust me.
What is this?
I don't know. Figure it out. It's just part of it. How much time you got left?
Like 5 minutes, probably?
5 minutes 40. Should I get you the impact?
Yeah. Do you even have a 7? You do have a 7.
Right, Nate is stressing right now.
we're cooking.
And I am not. Sucks to be Nate.
I don't know how I'm gonna make this because we tried cable ties on the bottom here and they kept breaking off.
No, I think just do the same, but you need to use better tools for like an impact.
Yeah, because my wrist is like 31, mate.
Do you want it?
Oh, that wasn't even on, mate.
So I'll give everyone an insight into how the mud flaps work. They're pretty crap, to be honest. They're always falling off. I just got little angle brackets from aluminium that is like 1mm and definitely is too thin for the job, and they bend like that.
Yeah, can we change? We're going to change all this.
Okay, do you want to bend up some brackets?
Yeah, well, right now.
No. That's probably on your list for next week.
Ow.
Nate runs a cut and fold.
Can we say the name of the company?
If you run a cut and fold business in Hamilton, please sponsor. Anyway, that's your job this week, is to cut and fold some good brackets there. No bend. Look at that, bent. All bent, crap. Straighten those out.
We need like a single piece bracket like that, you know?
I think he's got time to talk about stuff. There's no way you get this finished in 3 minutes.
Is this like shit?
What? My screwdriver? Let's drill it with a drill.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, mate. Set, I know that I've got like 2 seconds left now.
Yeah.
Where are your drill bits?
Nate cut these rubber mud flaps, but we didn't have the measurements for the holes, so he's got to make the holes now. Comment down below if you think he's going to do it in time.
Oh, this is not working out how I wanted it to. Do you have a G-clamp?
Oh yeah, it's on the wall there. Oh, interesting choice. You've got 40 seconds left. Funny is.
That means it's like an hour to change these. That's no good. Like, because what was it, 15 minutes or 10 minutes?
8 minutes.
We were looking at like close to 40 minutes to do all 4. Do you think that's good? Are you, like, would you be happy with that?
Well, all I know is that wasted.
Is that the time?
Time, tools down, step away from the tools.
Well, I got it on.
So that's on like that, and now we now have a lateness penalty for leaving service 10 seconds late, or like 2 minutes, and no mud flat, so there's a penalty for that as well.
You should tell me how long it's going to take me to actually get it on, and then
But there's
multiply
actually, tell me what's the penalty for having no mud flaps on the car under Schedule R? Do you know?
No,
there's a penalty, yeah. If you know what it is, comment in the comments.
Emission from the 10 seconds is for every minute late out of service, isn't it?
Oh, that's for the lateness out of service. I was talking about mud flat penalty. There's a thing.
But now you should time. Yeah, I know.
Oh, right.
We'll look that up. But you should time it now.
So let's see
how many seconds penalty we would be adding.
Okay, let's see how many. So Nate has successfully failed at this mission. Shut them gently, man.
Sorry. Where's your cable ties?
Oh, I'll get them. So now Nate's going to finish the job, and we're going to have a lateness penalty leaving service. And I'm going to be pissed.
See if I can beat my record. Okay, ready?
Yeah, okay.
I got 5 minutes then. I got to do it faster than 5 minutes. Are you sad we're not doing Rally South Canterbury, bro?
Good luck to everyone doing Rally South Canterbury this week.
This video's gonna come out after the event, but yeah.
We wish we were doing Rally South Canterbury.
Yeah. I need another
Just helping Nate
something
so
sharp.
doesn't cross thread.
3 left, sharp. Whenever I think of Alfin Evans' co-driver, Scott someone. Is it Scott someone or someone Scott?
Scott Martin.
Scott Martin. Whenever I think of him, I just think of his like real. I like his delivery. It's like real monotone, but the way he says sharp.
yeah, comment down below who your favourite WRC co-driver is. Mine's Aaron Johnston.
Oh yeah.
Do you know who that is?
Yeah. Is that Takamoto's?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yes!
Hey! Oh.
He's a good guy. Aaron Johnston.
Wow, that's a mean angle. Should have drilled the holes bigger, eh, bro?
No.
So go in front. Wait, so are you gonna make? Nate's gonna make new ones of these out of probably stainless because that's readily available. Is that sponsored?
Mate, that's up to you.
What do you mean up to me?
You're getting some mean deals.
There's my downpipe. It's beautiful.
How's the
Wastegate.
gasket going, mate?
Yeah, Oscar actually made that. So if you're watching, Oscar, shout out. That's a mean wastegate.
watching.
Downpipe.
Oscar's a big fan.
Is Oscar a fan?
Yeah, he comments all
If
the
your
time,
name's
mate.
Oscar, comment down below.
Oscar, we need you here, buddy.
Also like and subscribe. Yeah, and if you're Oscar, you should come to the garage
Yeah,
because
mate.
we know what we're doing.
We keep messing up because you're not here. This is the worst speedrun I've ever seen in my life.
We're gonna have heaps of penalties leaving service.
I got a bad seed. Do you actually watch speedrun content?
No.
Yeah.
Well, you mean like gaming?
Yeah.
You would watch that.
Do you know what a bad seed is?
No, and I don't want to know. Sounds dodgy.
You speedrun, you like start the game, and the way the game is like determines whether you get a good time or not.
4 minutes 30. How many? Is it 10 seconds for every minute?
I think so. I should know. Is it bad if I don't know?
Yeah, so we currently have... Oh, so you're about to break your record of penalties because we got 5 minutes lateness at Rally Bay Plenty 2023. Never forget, never let Nate forget. Oh, do you know who should sponsor us?
Who?
Ashley and Martin.
Hey.
Nah, comment down below if you have a receding hairline. There's nothing wrong with it, guys.
Hey, nothing wrong with it.
You're still a man
If
if
you
don't have
choose
hair.
to get hair loss treatment, that's fine. That's all good. I understand. But if you don't, if you want to go quietly into that the dark good night or whatever what's the Churchill line is?
Yeah.
That's all good.
But if you're watching this, Ashley and Martin, sponsor this guy. Oh, I'm funny as to myself.
You're a sad guy, eh?
What else? Got to do? Got to get the tyres on.
Alright, this is the last one. You ready for me to call time?
Okay.
There's got to be a better way. This is mud as eh? You learning anything watching this?
The only thing everyone's learnt is that we're terrible at replacing mud flaps and they're not very well designed.
Yeah. Whose fault's that, mate?
Anyway, like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Oh no. Don't strip those. Sound like you're stripping them.
Yeah, I might have. And time.
Okay, toes down. And that is, I don't know how the penalties work, but probably
It's 10 seconds a minute.
70 seconds of lateness.
I forgot to clip these off. This is just for neatness now.
Are you proud of yourself?
No. That should have been way faster.
Anyway, thank you for following on our journey for replacing one mud
You
flap
just
on
spin
a
the camera
car.
around you, muppet.
Oh.
On the bottom.
But then you can't see you.
You can. And then now hold it like you were.
Oh yeah. Chair bolt.
And then you do that on the camera.
Okay. Thanks for watching.